Hi, well today we're going to be talking about the deception persuasive essay. So I'm in my module folder and I'm going to click on the deception persuasive essay. Remember, this is a persuasive essay, so you are persuading the reader, which in this case is me, on your opinion. However, I want to point something down right down here. You cannot write in first person. You cannot use the word I. Excuse me. If you do, you cannot receive more than 75% on this essay. So you will definitely want to make sure you're not writing it in first person and that you're using active writing. So another thing is, remember those stems that we used back in module 4, or if you're taking this in the accelerated class, it would have been in module 2. But those stems will really come in handy to help you guide you through your essay. Again, that was just for a paragraph. This is now an essay. Another thing I want to point out that it must be a minimum of 500 words. Okay, a minimum of 500. I'm actually asking you at the bottom of your essay to write the word count. If you don't do this, you will lose points on your rubric. I need to know the word count. You can find that out easily on either Google Docs or on Word. So make sure that you are doing all that. Now let's look at the essay. So you're going to consider the themes of deception and self-deception. That would be deceiving yourself. And this is done while you're reading Macbeth. Review Macbeth's desire that the, quote, I wink at the hand, Act 1, line 52, and Lady Macbeth's urging of Macbeth to look like the innocent flower, but to be the serpent under tea. Compose a 2-page or minimum of 500 words type persuasive essay on the theme of deception and self-deception as interrelated ideas. Now here are some thoughts that I have helped to guide for you on this. Does lying to someone else require you to lie to yourself in some way? So in that case, you're deceiving someone, but does that mean you're deceiving yourself? You need to form your opinion on this. Do moral humans have to turn a blind eye on some part of themselves in order to kill or commit other crimes? How do the reader's opinions on these topics affect how they feel about Macbeth and their actions? Make sure you use MLA format. You must include a minimum of 3 quotes from Macbeth to support your point of view, answering this persuasive essay questions here and talking about self-deception and deception as interrelated topics. So you will need to highlight your 3 quotes. You can easily do this in both Google Docs and Word. So you're not going to print it out and highlight it. You do it on the computer. So you'll need to highlight your 3 quotes and make sure that your quotes are supporting your writing. Again, do not use the word I. At the bottom of your essay, supply the word count. And remember, this is a persuasive essay that you are persuading the reader to your point of view. So good luck. There is a rubric attached to this. It's a little different than before. You are making sure you are addressing the prompt, understanding and insight, exploration of the ideas, organization and support, style and language, and grammar and mechanics. You can read further. You can read about this further online. So I hope this helps you write your persuasive essay. Make sure you read Macbeth though before you actually write it.